I'm Darius McDermott from Chelsea Financial Services. Today I'm with Ken Nicholson, who runs the Mirabaud European Equity ex-UK Mid and Small Companies Fund. Ken, Mirabaud is not a hugely familiar brand with UK retail fund buyers. Would you tell us a little bit about Mirabaud and its history?
Yeah, Mirabaud is a Swiss firm that's been around since 1819, so we're
Plenty of history then.
Coming up now to our 200th year anniversary, and it's been around for a long time, and I think it's going to be around for a lot longer. We're definitely punching well above our weight. It's a firm that's very much focused on active investment solutions for our clients. That's really the firm's speciality.
Yeah, and given the name of your fund as European Mid and Small Companies, tell us a little bit about the sort of things that you personally look for in a stock in that part of the market.
Well, one of the things that we really like actually in firms is companies have been around for a long time and they've got a long trading history. So in a way it's a little bit like Mirabaud, the firm itself, and often these companies, which we call the hidden champions, have been around for generations. Often they're family run, and they're the sort of companies that have been over time durable, and they have delivered a solid return. They're not necessarily the most exciting growth companies, but they're companies that can deliver year after year compounding returns, which is very attractive for us and also very much lower risk.
European markets have had a bit of a renaissance. What's going on in Europe that either excites or worries you at the moment?
Yeah, the main thing that worries me is that it seems to have become, as an asset class, almost a consensus buy. Yeah. Everybody loves Europe now, and I'm far more comfortable when everyone's looking elsewhere. So, we find there's a little bit more competition for those good ideas. But, with our clear process where we work much harder, we dig deeper, we spend most of our time traveling, we always can find these great hidden champions that can deliver alpha or outperformance for our customers, and that's really the key to what we do.
And broadly, just maybe a brief comment on valuations in your sector of the market. I mean, you say there's more people looking at it. Does that mean they've become more expensive maybe than their long run in history, or are they still some decent value there?
Yeah, clearly, we see valuations are much higher than they have been for probably since the financial crisis. But at the same time, I think we have greater certainty that the economic picture, the outlook is more robust. So you have a trade-off. You pay a little bit more for greater certainty. But for us, the challenge is always to find those great companies that don't fully reflect in the share price their full potential. So, our job is to find those good ideas, and we can still do that. And that's absolutely not a challenge. I would agree the overall level of the market is challenging, but it just forces us to work harder and to dig deeper.
Brilliant, Ken. Thank you very much.
My pleasure. Thank you.